Welcome to my channel. Today we're exploring the world of groundbreaking innovation, where the newest wave of international technology is reshaping what it means to live in the future. Engineers have just unveiled a next-generation AI-driven personal hub, a pocket-sized device that blends the power of artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and real-time translation, all in one gadget smaller than your palm. Imagine speaking to anyone in any language, and your device instantly translates their words in your ear through smart AR audio lenses while displaying live subtitles before your eyes. This tiny powerhouse acts as your universal assistant, planning schedules, detecting emotion tones, and even projecting 3D holograms in the air for communication. But that's just the beginning. Researchers have introduced a self-cooling flexible display phone built from graphene and nanofiber polymers, capable of folding and stretching while keeping itself cool under heavy use. Unlike traditional phones, this model adapts its shape to the user's hand or folds out into a mini tablet in seconds. It's being called the living screen because it changes texture to match how you interact with it, smooth for swiping, textured for gaming, and translucent for privacy. Meanwhile, scientists have developed magnetically charged wireless environments, smart spaces where all your devices, from earbuds to laptops, charge automatically through invisible magnetic fields that fill the room. No wires, no plugs, no limits. Just a constant flow of clean, sustainable power. It's a major leap toward full environmental charging systems that could one day power homes, vehicles, and wearables simultaneously. On the wearable frontier, innovation continues with biosensitive fabrics that can monitor your heart rate, hydration, and even stress levels using embedded microsensors woven directly into the fabric. These materials send real-time data to your devices, adjusting your room temperature, lighting, and AI assistant responses based on your mood and energy levels. Imagine your clothes helping you focus when you're tired or calming you when you're stressed. Another fascinating breakthrough is the AI-powered drone companion. A personal flying assistant the size of your palm that follows its owner autonomously using facial and motion recognition. It can record 8K footage, stream in real time, scan surroundings for safety, and even project live holographic maps into the air. This technology redefines mobility and content creation by combining drone intelligence with human intuition. From holographic communication and wearable AI fabrics to shape-shifting displays, room-wide wireless charging, and personal drone companions, innovation is no longer a glimpse of tomorrow, but an unfolding reality today. The next chapter of human evolution isn't digital alone. It's biological, emotional, and seamlessly connected to the world around us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gaming Millionaire for more incredible global science and technology updates that bring the future closer, one invention at a time.